after I discovered this trick. My house smells like a rich man's house. To start today's tip, in a container I will add coarse salt and up until almost complete the container. After I learned this, I improved every room in my house. It is very simple, and you will have the house smelling good for many days. After adding the optimal amount of coarse salt, I will now also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. Now let's mix, remembering that alcohol is responsible for exhaling the smell throughout the environment and also helps scare away insects. Even after cleaning my house, I still keep this tip, further extending the smell of cleanliness. After mixing, I will now add the fabric softener. It is the main item of our tip, fully responsible for the smell of cleaning. The ideal is to put 25 milliliters of fabric softener. Can also use the smell of fabric softener of your choice, or even a different smell for each environment of your home. This advice will surely be very useful, and for at least 30 days, you will have the house smelling good, and with a simple tip to do. In addition to having a low cost, to finish today's tip, I will add some cloves. Are also very responsible for exhaling the smell around your home. Just putting some cloves in some environment of your home, you already notice the difference in the full of the environment. Now let's repeat the ingredients in another container. Let's start by adding the coarse salt again, long enough to almost complete the container. Next, we will also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol and mix well. I'm sure you'll thank me for the result of this tip. Now we will also add 25 milliliters of fabric softener. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Marvin Santiago from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips, even for those who have dogs indoors. This tip completely neutralizes the smell of urine from animals. To finish, we will add the cloves. Tell me if you've done any cleaning tips using cloves. They always become useful in several tips. I am sure you will be surprised by the result of this mixture, and every visit to your home will ask you what the secret to having the house fully perfumed. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.